life is for. One day I'ma wake up with a reaper at the door. Don't need all the answers, just say anything at all. I've been praying for a minute, I've been waiting on your call. Oh.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making some edible slime. Before I start this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button. Anyways, let's get onto the video. So you want to melt some Starburst lollies. After it's melted, you just want to add a tiny bit of icing sugar at a time. Make sure you add a tiny bit at a time because we don't want a dough kind of texture. And this is how the slime turns out. And guys, make sure to let it cool off because it will be very hot because it just came out of the microwave. Let's taste how good it is. This is brilliant, everyone. And it stretches really good. That was it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure you smash that subscribe button. Bye.